Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return trip along the same route, there is less traffic and the average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed for Abdul's trip? While he was going, it was 20 km per hour. On his return trip, his speed was 30 km per hour. Then what is his average speed? Simple, direct question. This is the most direct question ever evolved. Simple, direct question. You can easily do it. Everybody can do easily. From A, it is going to B. Abdul is going from A to B, 1 point. So while going in his journey, first initial journey, the speed was 20 km per hour. While in his return journey, his speed was 30 km per hour. What is his average speed? Average speed. So average speed का formula क्या है? Sigma xi by vi. Sigma ti को you are sigma ti you are writing like this. So sigma xi is what you take that let the distance. You can write here let the distance traveled in one side be x. Okay, already you know it is one side x. So x plus x, written also x. X by individual distance, x distance in 20 km per hour. Next x distance by 30 km per hour. So x 2x. Now here x you are taking common 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. Nothing much you need to do. Only LCM you need to do. Into 30 into 20 into 30 plus 20. Inverse. 2 into inverse matlab 30 into 20 divided by 50. 0 0 cancel. 3 into 4 12 by 5. 120 by 5. How much? Answer 24 kilometer per hour is the answer. Done. So average speed of the Abdul strip is 24 km per hour. That is the answer. You can check backside. Next problem. That also is very direct. A motorboat starting from rest on lake accelerates in a straight line in a constant rate of 3 meter per second square. But it is a constant acceleration. Acceleration is 3 meter per second square. For how many seconds? 8 seconds it is accelerating. How far does the boat travel during this time? So he is asking distance. So acceleration equal to 3 meter per second square. Time it is accelerating is 0.8 seconds. How far it is accelerating is the asked. It is starting from rest. This is important. This is only logic. 3 parameters minimum required. Na? That's it. So using second equation of motion, you have S equal to ut plus half at square. U is 0 here, so S equal to half at square because we have to find distance. 3 into 0.8 into 0.8 seconds. So you'll get to 0.4 seconds. 8 fours 32. 32 threes. How much? 32 threes 96. How many 2 points are there? So 0.96 meters. 0.96 meters. अच्छा 8 seconds, not 0.8 seconds. It is 8 seconds. Sharan మీరు చూడలేదండి 8 seconds ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ. Here the printing there is some small problem. So 8 seconds. So what is if it is 8? So this answer is wrong. 8. So it is 4. 8 4 32, 32 2s, 33 3s, 96. 96. So what is the answer? 96 meters it will travel. 96 meters only it will travel. Answer correct? You can check at the back. A driver of a car traveling at 52 km per hour applies the brakes and accelerates uniformly in the opposite direction. The car stops in 5 seconds. Another driver going on 3 km per hour speed in another car applies his brakes slowly and stops in 10 seconds. On the same graph paper, plot the speed versus time graph for the two cars. Which of the two cars traveled farther after the brakes were applied? That was the question given. Already I explained this that day. Exam in the test I gave. I explained that day. You want me to do again for today, or you don't want? Option is yours. మళ్ళీ చెప్పాలా? పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం అంటే పేజ్ సెట్ అవుతుంది. A driver of a car traveling at 52 km per hour speed is going at 52 km per hour speed, applies the brakes and accelerates uniformly in the opposite direction. He is applying the brake, then he will be retarding, right? So you should come in mind. The car stops in 5 seconds. Another car going at 30 km per hour speed. Okay. He is also applying brake and stops in 10 seconds. Okay. So you have to plot the VT curve, speed versus time curve, and also you have to tell which car travels more distance after application of brakes. Okay. Already I told this that whenever you are doing VT curves, you should remember that the area under the VT curve is the distance traveled by the curve. So you can go for graphical way of finding the answer, first option, or you can use motion equations for finding the answer. Which way you want, you can go by that. You are free to go. We are not stopping. Clear? But I will do both the methods on the board. రెండు రాస్తాం, మీకు ఏది కావాలంటే అది రాసుకోండి. Whichever you want method, you write it in your notes. But both methods should be known to every student. Okay. So what is the driver of a car? He is traveling with 52 km per hour. So there are case A, car A, car B. Let us take car A, car B. So first we will take car A. Case of car A. In case of car A, what is that? He is traveling with a speed of initial velocity is equal to 52 km per hour. So you are converting into meter per second. 52 into 5 by 18. 9, 26. 26 into 5 by 9. How much? 26 5s? 25 5s, 125. 5 add karo, 130 by 9. Keep it like that. V always 0, you know. Time taken for it is 5 seconds to stop. 3 parameters you got it. So what is the curve for retardation you should draw? Curve for retardation we should draw. Retardation curve మీరు రాయాలి గీయాలి, and it is uniform retardation, you know that. Therefore no need to plot the LETV, otherwise there was a need for drawing LETV. Now no need for drawing LETV, but there is one important need, that how much. So 5 seconds time is there, you will take 130/9 to 0 over each diya curve. So you have to find display distance traveled S. I'm telling the first method. That's why you do it. UT plus half AT square. Okay, acceleration we don't know. You got it? U plus AT. V is 0. U equal to minus AT. Minus A equal to U by T. What is T? 5 seconds. 26/9 meter per second square minus retardation equal to 26/9 meter per second square. So now you are putting here S equal to UT. What is U? U is 130/9. T 5 plus half into A 26/9 minus direction into T time. Do it. Big number, whatever the calculation it is. 130 into 5. ये 5 को बाहर भेज दो. 130/9. कोई whichever creates problem to you ना, send it outside. వస్తుందా? अच्छा अच्छा. చూపిస్తాను. 9 also you take outside. 5 into 5 and 9 you are taking outside. 5/9 you are taking outside. 26 into 5 left and 2 వస్తుంది అంతేనా? ఈ హాఫ్ ఇది మల్టిప్లై 13 వస్తుంది. 13 5s 65. Don't know. 13 5s 65. 65 2s 130. So 65 is remaining. 65 into 5/9. 65 5s 130 130 260 260 260 plus 35 65 325/9. This is the distance traveled by car A. Next, car B. U equal to 30 km/h. It is 30 into 5/18, which is nothing but 15 5 75/9 meter per second. V equal to 0, time equal to 10 seconds. V equal to U plus AT, U equal to AT minus 1 minus A equal to U by T. I will tell you, then you can full copy. U is 75/9 divided by time. Time is how much? 10 seconds. 75/90. We'll do it, don't worry. 7.5/9 meter per second square. So what is S? S equal to UT plus half AT square. So firstly you see what is the retardation here. 7.5 by 9 meter per second square. Which retardation is more? The retardation of this is more. Therefore, car A excels than car B in retardation. That means it is having better retardation than car B. Therefore, we can say that car A has good braking system than car B. Therefore, car A has more cost than car B because it is preventing accidents more as compared to car B. Especially this calculation is done in BMW, Audi for braking system. Anti-lock braking system is there. I told that day when I was teaching this in offline classes. That will help in decreasing the speed from very high speeds to zero very quickly without any jerk. That is a specialty of anti-locking braking system. Okay, ABS technology. So we'll do. So U is how much? 75 by 9. What is T? 10 plus minus half into 7.5 kada. 75 by 90 will write. T square. T is how much? 10 into 10. 0 0 cancel now. Here. 75. Why this 75 by 9? Oh, same came. So 75 by 9 we will take in common. 10 minus. Achha, 750 by 9 will take common. 1 minus 750 by 9 we have taken common. Half. So it will come half. So 375 by 9 meters. Which is traveling more distance? Car B is traveling more distance than car A. You are getting na? Using second equation. This is first method. Theoretically, without any graph. Car B travels more distance than car B. Car A. Then car A. Car B travels more distance than car A. Now I will show how you will do this graphically. Wait. Hold. I will show this. VT curve. Now what you will take? 130 by 9, 75 by 9. So 1 by 9 is common. So you will whatever is 130 means you will take 25 by 9 as 1 unit. So this is how much? 25 by 9, 50 by 9, 75 by 9. How much this is? 100 by 9, 125 by 9, 150 by 9. Clear? So 1 unit in x-axis is equal to, in y-axis equal to 25 by 9 meter per second. In x-axis, everything is common. 2.5 seconds, 5 seconds, 7.5 seconds, 10 seconds, 12.5 seconds. Now line you will draw. From 130 by 9 you will take 130 by 9 you will take this point and you will join 5 seconds. So you will join like this. You will take 75 by 9 and take 10 seconds. Clear? Now this is you have to draw because it is given in the question that you have to draw a VT curve. So this you compulsory you need to draw. This you are finding by using general method. If it is not given in such cases, what you will do? Now you will name these points A, O, B, C, O, D. right? Those are the two triangles. So the area under the VT curve gives the. So you start writing this part. This part ले part लिखो पहले. Start writing this part. After leaving the question gap, you start writing this part. Because I want to erase that part. Or leave it. I will do here. इधर करता हूँ. Okay. Listen now first. Then. Now area of car A. Area under VT of triangle of car A is equal to area of triangle COD. Area of triangle COD, which is equal to distance. So area of triangle COD is half into base. What is base? Base is OD into height OC. What is base OD? What is height OC? 130 by 9. 65. 65 into 5 by 9. See here, 65 into 5 by 9, 325 by 9. This is first part. This is very easy to do. But if you understand, it is very easy. S equal to area under VT curve of car B equal to area of triangle AOB equal to half into OB into OA. Half into what is OB? 10 seconds into OA. What is OA? 75 by 9. हो गया खत्म. 75 5 150 152 300 375 375 by 9 meters. So car B, this is for car B, this is for car A. All above this is car A. All above this is car B. This is the gap. ऊपर पूरा कार A, नीचे पूरा कार B. So car B 375 graphically. Car B 375 practically. So practically and graphically both came same. Same है रावल. Then only your answer is correct. Otherwise your answer is wrong. So graphical method comparison if you want to take, you can do these two. Theoretical method comparison if you want to take, you can take these two. All are same. This is a little bit complicated. Will become complicated if you use this. Simply if you want to do, you can take these parameters, find the retardation, stop it, draw the curve neatly on the graph paper. It is given. Neatly use the graph paper, do it, take these conditions, constraints, draw a straight line because it is a constant acceleration problem, and you will define the areas of both using the area of the triangle formula, and you can compare both and tell that car B is more distance than car A. Car B travels more distance than car A. That is the question. So that's all with today's class. We'll do the remaining problems next page. 113 problems next tomorrow. Right?